All right, so we've created our channel. We're going to go into the channel here. You see a little bit of channel details. You can edit it or clone it into another channel. You can see what it's connected to. So it's the phone number for our receptionist, the current call status. And we don't have any tests set up yet. So we're going to set up a new test just by clicking New Test. And we're going to do one to check if it knows the office hours. I'm going to fill this in. We're using the receptionist channel. We'll put a max duration of 120 seconds. The system will speak first because we're dialing into it. It's going to say hello, so we don't need a first message. We can do a complicated prompt, but this is pretty simple. So I'm just going to actually delete this and say ask for the office hours. A passing criteria is what it needs for the test to be considered successful. And we'll say it told us office hours are Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This doesn't have to be exact. It's using the LLMs and the AI for all this, so it can figure out if it's reasonably close. And we'll just copy that and say did not tell us office hours. Temperature is how creative or strict you want it to be to the prompt. We're just going to leave it at the default, and we're going to create our test. All right, there we go. And next step is we'll run it.